Hello kids! Today we will learn opposite words. Let's start. Big, small. Big versus small. Hot, cold. Hot versus cold. Happy, sad. Happy versus sad. Fast, slow. Fast versus slow. Tall, short. Tall versus short. Open, close. Open versus close. Day, night. Day versus night. Clean, dirty. Clean versus dirty. Full, empty. Full versus empty. Up, down. Up versus down. In, out. In versus out. Near, far. Near versus far. Wet, dry. Wet versus dry. Young, old. Young versus old. Heavy, light. Heavy versus light. Laugh, cry. Laugh versus cry. Push, pull. Push versus pull. Rich, poor. Rich versus poor. Soft, hard. Soft versus hard. Above, below. Above versus below. Start, finish. Start versus finish. Smile, frown. Smile versus frown. Safe, dangerous. Safe versus dangerous. Healthy, unhealthy. Healthy versus unhealthy. Buy, sell. Buy versus sell. Give, take. Give versus take. Brave, scared. Brave versus scared. Sit, stand. Sit versus stand. Push, pull. Push versus pull. Quiet, loud. Quiet versus loud. Beautiful, ugly. Beautiful versus ugly. High. Low. High versus low. Early. Late. Early versus late. Left. Right. Left versus right. Front. Back. Front versus back. Inside. Outside. Inside versus outside. Thick. Thin. Thick versus thin. Strong. Weak. Strong versus weak. Sweet. Sour. Sweet versus sour. Thanks for watching, kids. Please like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos.